Hello, in this video I'll show you how to change password in Gmail account. Now, it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open your browser and then just simply open your Gmail account. Now, once your Gmail account is opened, just simply choose the correct account in which you want to change the password of. So click on your profile right over here. Then right over here, just simply choose the correct profile that you want to change the password of. Now what you have to do is just simply click on your profile over here, then click on manage your Google account. Now right over here, just simply click on the security panel. And over here, you will have a lot of options, but the option that you're looking for is the password one right over here. So what you have to do is click on this option. And now just simply enter your existing password for your account. And then just simply click on next. Now, all you have to do is just simply enter the new password and then confirm that password by entering the exact password again. And after that, just simply click on change password and that will change your Google account's password. But just for information, when you're changing your Gmail password, that means you're changing the password for your entire Google account because individually you cannot change the password of Gmail. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.